All right, so today's actually my birthday, and so I got this and the replacement for the used one that they sent me. This thing here. It's also not accurate, but let me see if I can come in here and you can see. That is the protective layer, but this is how it came to me. If you look really careful, you can see the dirt and the gunk in the casting. And I guarantee you that they didn't get dirty like that at the factory. So, I don't have a problem with that, but it was reading like 13.6 instead of 13.8 volts. So, that's not good. So, let's see if the replacement one looks just as bad. I mean, how many used ones could they possibly keep sending, right? So, and also, my other one didn't come with the wires. I don't think this one's going to either. This one looks about the same, except for there's no dirt in it. So, yeah. So let's see what it reads. Move this stuff over here. Get a fluke. Let's use the drill battery. Okay? Positive, negative. Okay, the fluke says 20.22 volts. Okay? It's kind of hard to do. .15. That's not too bad. I'll show you the other one, the dirty one. Such a pain in the butt. There'd have been an easier way to test this probably. These wires are so short. 20.10, and then it actually dipped below that. 20.09. Let's double this again. 20.22. And I don't have like the best connection in the world, but 20.1413, that's a little bit closer. I don't know if there's a way to calibrate these, but to me this one appears to not be used, so works for me. So that's that. So with these things, you need to be careful because I guess apparently they like to send out used stuff. So these are on Amazon. I do not have an affiliate link anymore because I could not sell anything, and they revoked my affiliate account for that reason. So anyway, thanks for watching.